Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Thursday, August 1st, 2019. I'm here in Parish, New York. Just going to do a quick pre-trip on the truck, and then we're going to head over to Fulton and pick up our load. Yeah, I usually try to check the back of the trailer if I'm in sitting, especially since I went in and took a shower and got something to eat, so make sure nobody's put anything in here for me. Just a good policy to follow that. Nice day today. Perfect kind of a summer day. Alright, so I picked up another load. I mean, as far as workflow goes, I picked up another load. I'm going to take this load up to Waterbury. And instead of going straight home, I'm going to pick up a load going down to Costello, Pennsylvania that I'll deliver on Sunday. That'll bring me 100 miles closer to where I got to be in Ohio on Monday. So, plus I'll make a little extra money for the week, which is always a good thing. Anyway, got a pre-trip done, and we're gonna head over to Fulton. Wow, guys, we're blasting right into the sun here, and my windshield is covered with bugs. I was supposed to clean that off before I left over here, got started. I forgot. I get over here to Fulton to pick up my trailer, and I'll give it a once over anyway. It'll just get covered again. Now that it's cooled off a little bit at night, the bugs are really out now. Hey, so we just got 21 miles over to Fulton. We'll pick up our load for Waterbury. We'll get up to the last rest area before you get to Waterbury, and hopefully find a place to park there. Take another 10-hour break and deliver tomorrow after our break's over. And we'll be coming right back down here and grabbing a load for Conestoga, Pennsylvania. Go home for the night, which would be Friday night, and stay home most of the day Saturday. Leave Saturday night, go down, deliver our Conestoga, take a 10-hour break, and Sunday head out to Ohio to the shop. We're getting everything serviced. We're getting the knock sensor taken care of. We're getting the whole truck looked over for DOT inspection. I got to get Landstar inspection here by next week. So we'll be in the shop Monday and probably Tuesday. And so Monday, Tuesday, and then hopefully Tuesday afternoon, evening, I can head over. The nearest inspection station for Landstar is the TA in Seville, Ohio. So we'll go over there and get her inspected, and we'll be good for another 120 days. Here we are in the village of Mexico, New York again. don't know if you guys could even see anything with that sun. It's very bright. Bright right into the camera, and it's kind of a hazy day. I'm sure the camera is not liking that sunlight directly in the lens. Not this light, but next light will be turning and headed south a little bit, get some of that sunshine out of the lens.
In 1/4 mile, turn left.
Yeah, so I was just gonna go home after this load and spend the weekend at home, but boy, who knows how much the work on the truck's gonna cost, and so if I can get an extra load in, I'm gonna get one in. Plus, I'll be going on vacation. Today's the 1st of August. I need to be home by the 17th so that I can leave on the evening of the 18th. I get home the night of the 17th, which is a Saturday night, and I'll have enough time to get my stuff packed. So I pretty much plan on working most of the time between now and then. I do have to be home on Sunday the 11th. For something I committed to, so when I come out of the shop in Ohio, I'll see what kind of loads I can find coming back this way. That'd probably be like the 7th I'll be picking up, so I can't go too far away because I got to be home by the 11th. Probably just come back this way and see if I can do some more of this for a couple weeks till I go on vacation. Oh, damn, guys, sorry. I did my drop and hook at Fulton there. I forgot to clean the windshield. Darn it. Oh, well. I'll have to do it when I get over here to Fultonville to the TA. I'm going to fill up there. I'm going to take the southern route, as we call it, to Waterbury. Instead of going up over Route 11 and across the top of Vermont and down, I'm going to go across the New York State Thruway and get off at Fultonville, get fuel, then take the 2-lane across to Saratoga, take the north way up and get off it, and go head out through Fort Anne and Whitehall and up into Vermont that way. And the bugs probably don't look too bad because we're facing away from the sun. I'll get them clean. Remind me when I get to the fuel stop, would you? Yeah, I'll go home tomorrow night and spend most of the day Saturday at home. Leave Saturday night late. Hoping it's not going to rain. The only day they're showing rain is Saturday, the day I'm going to be home. But I don't think it's going to be a washout or anything. I think they said showers, but that could change, of course. I want to get home, and Saturday afternoon I want to help my friend out. He lost one of his airplanes at the flying club. He went down. He lost track of it somehow, and by the time that he realized that it was going away from him, it was too late. He couldn't really see what it was doing anymore, and it went down. We got a good idea kind of what area it's in, but I want to take my drone down there and look for it. Maybe we'll find it, maybe we won't. It'd be hard to spot if it fell down into the trees and then fell down below the tops of the trees. It's going to be hard to see, but we'll give it a shot. Can't hurt, right? Alright guys, just got off the thruway here at Fultonville. We are going to go into the TA here and fill up. Hopefully it ain't too busy. Hey guys, don't let me forget to clean the windshield. Okay guys, just gonna wrap it up for today's video. I finished getting my fuel and took a shower there at the TA in Fultonville, and we're just on our way up to Waterbury. Gonna stop in the rest area. Won't be allowed to video now because it's dark out. Pretty dark route up that way. Anyway, we will see you next time on the Trucker John Show. Appreciate you being here. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and think about subscribing. Okay, take care.